In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mailchimp with Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you'll need to access the marketplace in your Monday.com account. To do this, simply log into your account as you usually would. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the page for the product switcher icon. It looks like a grid or a set of boxes. Click on that icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Marketplace. This will take you to a new section filled with integrations and apps that you can use. Next, we're going to find the Mailchimp app. At the top of the Marketplace, there is a search bar. Click on it and type in Mailchimp. After a moment, you should see a list of results. Locate the official Mailchimp app, which should be among the top results, and click on it. This action will open the details page for the Mailchimp app, where you can learn more about its features and see how it can help enhance your experience with Monday.com. Now, let's initiate the installation. On the Mailchimp app details page, look for a button that says Use App. Clicking this will trigger the installation process. It's a straightforward step, and once you click it, you're one step closer to integrating Mailchimp with your Monday.com workspace. After beginning the installation, the next step is to select your workspace. A prompt will appear asking you to choose the specific workspace where you want to use the Mailchimp integration. This is important because it ensures that the app is connected to the right team within your organization. So take a moment to select the correct workspace that you want to integrate with Mailchimp. The following step involves choosing the specific board that you want to link with Mailchimp. This is crucial as it allows you to centralize your campaign data or subscriber lists directly within that board. Find the board you want to connect and click on it. This ensures that all of your Mailchimp data will be easily accessible to your team right where you need it. Finally, we need to finalize the integration. To do this, simply click the Add App button. By clicking this, you will officially connect Mailchimp to the board you've selected, completing the integration process. Once this is done, you can start utilizing Mailchimp's features right from within Monday.com, making it easier to manage your email campaigns and subscriber lists without having to switch between multiple platforms. Remember that this integration can significantly streamline your workflow, allowing for better organization and efficiency in your projects. Thank you for following along. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance with Mailchimp or Monday.com, please don't hesitate to reach out in the comments.